Hello everyone, welcome back at Tech ET. The iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max may have launched September 10, 2019, but Apple could not release an iPhone SE 2 alongside them. The iPhone SE 2 would be a true budget alternative to the high-end iPhones, more so than the iPhone XR was, with downgraded specs from other devices but with a much lower price tag too. But perhaps we have to realize the fact it's just not going to happen for a while. The iPhone SE 2, if it ever launches, current rumors pointing to either a launch in the first quarter of 2020 or a more vague early 2020 unveiling. While we would take this with a pinch of salt for now, not because we haven't heard much about an iPhone SE 2 recently, it would make sense for Apple to launch one in the first half of 2020. Apple has been losing market share recently, and that's likely in part because of the high price of most of its phones. By launching an iPhone SE 2, the company would give buyers a more affordable option. And by launching it around 6 months after the iPhone 11 range, it should arrive just as sales are starting to slow. The first iPhone SE 2 price rumor pointed to roughly $450, which many analysts agree with. However, a more recent iPhone SE 2 price leak suggests it will be more affordable than that, at $399. That's from a noted Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. The latest leaks point to probably the most likely option, which is that the iPhone SE 2 will look a lot like iPhone 8, complete with a 4.7-inch screen. However, there aren't any images of this design just yet. The latest report suggests the iPhone SE 2 could have a 4.7-inch LCD screen, but other than that, it will apparently use many of the same components as the iPhone 11 range, so by the sounds of things, you can expect flagship power in a smaller size and at a lower price. Respected Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo saying to expect an A13 Bionic chipset, the same as the iPhone 11 range, and a 3GB of RAM. What's most confusing about the new phone is this: how would you get into it? Face ID has been rumored to not be available in order to save money, so if the all-screen version is to be believed, how would you open the phone? With that in mind, the more traditional static design with the fingerprint scanner seems to be more likely. For more accurate news and pictures, we might have to wait few months. Well, that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.